Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a Little Mermaid. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the bangs of her hair first on this Little Mermaid. So here we go. A curved line down like this. And then back where we started, we'll do another curved line down like this and stop there. And then we'll do an overlapping curved line that goes over top of this. So starting right off the top here, we'll do another curved line down like that. Okay, now let's draw her face here. It's going to be a big U-shaped line starting over here. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And back up like that. Okay, now let's draw the ear over here. This is going to be a curved line starting here that curves around and then goes back to the head like that. Okay, let's draw her face now. We're going to give her two eyes, and we'll do cutie eyes. We'll do one here. So we'll draw a circle here like that, and a circle over here like that. And then inside that circle, we'll do a smaller circle for the highlight and a smaller circle for the highlight. And now let's color those in black. Okay, between the two eyes, let's do a little tiny line here for her nose. We'll do a little nose like that. And now we'll do a smiley face under that nose. It's a happy Little Mermaid. So we'll do a smiley face like that and a little cheek line like that. Okay, now above the eyes, let's do two eyebrows. We'll do one above this eye like that and one above here like that. Okay, now above here now, let's draw a crown in her hair, and then we'll draw the rest of her hair, but we'll start by drawing a crown because it'll give us an idea of where the hair goes. So right above here, we're going to do a curved line across like this. A curved line that goes over, and it stops right about there. And then on the ends, we're just going to go up and stop, and on this end, we'll go up and stop like that. And now in the middle of this curved line, we're going to do a shell because she has a shell crown. So right here, we're just going to go up and we're going to do kind of a zigzaggy line. So a curved line up and then back, up, back down, over, and back down. And then inside of that, we'll do a couple of shell lines to help define it. So like a little line like this, and one straight up like that, and one curve like that. Okay, now let's draw the hair wrapping around her head here going down. So starting up here where the shell on the crown is, we're going to do a curved line down like this. Ready? Here we go. Take your time now, there's no rush. There we go, stop like that. And now where we ended, we're going to go back up and make it kind of a pointy shape because that's piece of her hair there. And now let's go back down and we'll stop right about here. Like that. Okay, now let's go back up to the top and do the other side of her hair. We'll do three or two sort of pieces of angle hair like this side here. Let's go. We'll start here. Nice and slow. This is a long line, so just take your time. And you can always pause and catch up. And then back up like this, and then back down, and back up, and then we'll do a curved line back here and we'll stop like that. Okay, there's her head and her hair and her happy face, and now let's do our body down here. So starting at the below of the head here, we're going to draw the neck into the shoulders here, so, and then down to the arm. So here we go. So the neck goes here, and then we curve, and then go down all the way, and curve back like that. And let's finish the arm off, and this is just going to be her thumb here, and go back like that. And we're keeping her hands very simple. It's sort of a stylized, simple mermaid. So here we go. We'll go back up. We'll do the other arm, the neck and the other arm. Here we go. So neck, and then we curve for the shoulder. And then we go down. And we curve around for her hand. And then we do her thumb. And then we curve back up like this. And stop there. Okay, let's do the rest of her body. So we'll do her bathing suit here. It's 2 shells. So we'll draw a little line like this, and then we'll do a shell shape down like this. And then we'll do some lines inside there. Bottom of the shell. And then a little connecting piece. And then we'll do the other shell. Some lines on the shell. And the little connecting pieces. Here we go. And now let's draw the rest of her tail, her fish tail. So it's going to go down the rest of her body. And a little line for her belly button. And then this is where the tail starts. So it goes down like that. Back around. On this side, back around. Down, and then over like that. Okay, starting to look like a Little Mermaid to me. Okay, now let's do the fishtail now. This is a big curved line down to here, so it's a big curved kind of C-shaped line. So starting here we go. Take your time now. And stop right about there. And let's go up to the other side of where her fishtail starts, and we'll do another curve line. It's kind of a backward S line here. Like that. And now let's draw the fins on the end of her tail here. So this is like a big almond shape at the end. So go here, and we curve back, and we stop like that. And then we're gonna go up like this, and we do another one, and another almond shape like that, back to the tail, like that. Now let's draw some fish scales on our fish tail. So these are kind of U-shaped lines that'll go along here. Ready? So we'll do a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. And we leave a little space here, and we'll do another 2. 1, 2. Maybe we'll do 2 more here. 1, 2. Maybe just 1 over here, and they diminish. So just 1 here, and then we'll space them out a little bit at the bottom to give a sense of the texture kind of disappearing a little bit down the tail. You can kind of put these wherever you want. Like that. Okay, that looks pretty good. Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. So I am going to make my mermaid have red hair. And you can make your mermaid any color you want. Purple hair, blue hair, anything you want. We'll make the crown yellow. We'll do her tail blue. We'll do her bathing suit purple. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.